Notre Dame Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece. Notre Dame Cathedral, also known as Notre Dame de Paris, is considered one of the greatest architectural masterpieces and an important symbol of Paris. Its construction began in 1163 and was completed by 1345, taking almost 2 centuries. This cathedral combines elements of Romanesque style and majestic Gothic architecture, giving it a unique and mystical appearance. The cathedral is renowned for its magnificent stained glass windows, which fill the interior with colorful light. The most famous stained glass mosaic, located on the southern side, depicts Jesus Christ surrounded by saints. The interior's columns and arches, large windows and sculptures create an enchanting and awe-inspiring atmosphere. The facade of the cathedral features numerous chimeras, mystical guardians and protectors of holy places. Gargoyles, which adorn the water drains, add aesthetic appeal to the building and embody ancient legends. Notre Dame houses many relics, including the crown of thorns of Jesus Christ and fragments of the cross. These sacred items attract pilgrims and tourists from around the world, eager to connect with history and spiritual heritage. The cathedral is also known for its bells, each with a unique sound. The main bell, Emmanuel, weighs 13 tons and is used only on special occasions. From the observation deck on the South Tower, accessed by climbing 387 steps, visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of Paris and the Eiffel Tower. The entire history of the cathedral is filled with tragic events, from the destruction during the French Revolution to the restoration work following Victor Hugo's novel. Thanks to these restorations, the cathedral maintains its grandeur and continues to attract millions of tourists every year. Notre Dame Cathedral is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, underscoring its significance and unparalleled architectural harmony.